Hi! In front of me is Nokia G10 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds using this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type recorder. Then download this app from this developer and open it. Now choose continue. Tap while using this app, choose allow and click on yes, I agree. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right button. Then tap save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is here. If you want to rename it, click on those three dots over here and tap on rename. Over here you can type wherever you want to and tap OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording, you can always click on the same three dots, but this time select delete and confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!